This assembly video can be used to assemble the HNA 10, ECA 15, and SBA 15. For quicker assembly, you can use a drill and 4mm hex bit in place of the provided 4mm T-handle hex key. Begin by attaching the front left leg to the seat using 3 1 7/8 inch bolts, 3 1/4 inch washers, and 3 1/4 inch nylock nuts. To tighten, use a 7/16 inch wrench and drill as shown. Attach the long brace to the front left leg using one 2-inch screw. Repeat this step to attach the seat and long brace to the front right leg. Next, attach the left arm to the front left leg using one 2 1/4 inch bolt, 1 1/4 inch washer, and 1 1/4 inch nut. Tighten as shown. Repeat this step to attach the right arm to the front right leg. Next, attach the back to the seat and arms using 4 2-inch screws. If you're assembling the HNA 10, your assembly is complete. If you're assembling the ECA 15 or SBA 15, you'll need to attach the short brace to the back legs with 2 2-inch screws. If you have questions or need any additional support, please feel free to contact us.